In front of me is POCO M7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate. Begin by opening Settings. Now you need to scroll down and tap on Display and Brightness over here. Following that, scroll down again and tap on Refresh Rate. Then click on Default to set it up, or select Custom and click on Refresh Rate below it to pick one of those. When you finished, just go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye!